Hey kids! Guess who's here? Yes, it's me, Bob! Join me for Learning Street with Bob! Hello kids, I'm Bob the Train, your DJ and host. Welcome to our Phonics show! Our participants in this show are the letters of the alphabet. Isn't that cool? They will sing, dance, and teach us sounds that start with the letters. Now, let's say a big hello and welcome to our wonderful judges. Are you ready, judges?
Yes, Bob!
Please welcome Mr. S, who loves to sing.
I love a song to sing along. A song, a nice and peppy song.
What makes a day bright and sets in the night? It's the sun, the warm and lovely sun.
What can melt in the sun? Playing in it is so much fun. Snow, pure and white snow.
When it snows, turn up the heat. Wear a jacket and socks on your feet. Socks, your warm woolen socks.
What is that I hear? Sounds like hissing to my ear. I think it's a snake. A snake.
What's that sliding by my side? It's black, shiny, and really wide. A seal, a smart and slippery seal.
I have a couch that is so soft, I keep it upstairs in my loft. I call it a sofa, a sofa.
Take 2 slices of bread, some peanut butter to spread. Let's make a sandwich, a sandwich.
I can sit on it all day long and sing my happy little song. It's my favorite swing, swing.
Up and down it can go, a little high, a little low. A seesaw, a seesaw. As you can all see, S is the best, isn't he? So judges, do you say, Mr. S has made our day? Superb, special, sincere, sensational, stunning. Thank you, Mr. S and judges. We will be back soon with the sweet sound of other letters of the alphabet. Till then, sayonara. Hey kids, watch the video again and count the number of words that start with the letter of the alphabet in this episode. Don't forget to put your answers in the comments section below. Thank you.